Hi, this is Dan Krause, and today I want to talk a little bit about what to do with an inheritance if you are on Medicaid, or how to handle an inheritance for someone who is on Medicaid. So my name is Dan Krause. I have a law office called Krause Estate Planning and Elder Law Center, and we put out a newsletter regularly. If you'd like to get on the newsletter mailing list, please send us an email at newsletter@friendly.law. That's newsletter@friendly.law, and we will send you a great newsletter about once a month. So now I want to talk to you a little bit about a case that my client came up against recently. So the clients are on Medicaid, and that means that they have gone through a process of getting approved, and now Medicaid is paying for their nursing stay, and they received an inheritance. One of their relatives died, unfortunately, but left them an inheritance. And they called me because they were concerned that this was going to affect their Medicaid eligibility and their Medicaid benefits. So I wanted to assure them that there are many things that can be done once you've inherited money, but sometimes they have to be done quickly. So one of the things that you can do when you inherit money is you spend it all on yourself. That's a fun way to deal with that, and it's not going to affect your ability to receive Medicaid benefits in the future, as long as you spend it all on yourself. Now, be careful about buying things, because if you buy automobiles, that can be something that disqualifies you if you have more than one. So what you can do is you can get rid of an old automobile and buy a new one, and now that's a good expense. Another thing that you could spend on is prepaid funeral, which is a great idea for anyone who is on Medicaid. If you have some money and you don't have a prepaid funeral, you should get one. Other things are just entertainment, going on vacation, but all these things should be done within the month that you receive the inheritance. So if at all, if you can control when that's going to be, consider getting them to give you the inheritance on the first day of the month, so that by the last day of the month, you can have a planned out way to spend that money. Now, if you're lucky and it's a larger inheritance and you don't have enough things that you can spend on that you need or that you want, there is something that's called a Wispact trust. Now, this is Wisconsin, and this is a Wisconsin organization that has a pooled supplemental needs trust or special needs trust. And these are statutory trusts that are under federal guidelines, so that they can hold money for people who are disabled. You have to be disabled in order to have one of these. But what you can do with an unlimited amount of money, including any inheritance that you get, is you can set up one of these trusts with Wispact or another organization that does these type of pooled special needs trusts, and you can put all the money in there. Then it can be used for you on an ongoing basis. You don't have to spend it in 1 month. You don't have to spend it in a year. You can spend it over your entire lifetime on things for yourself, things that Medicaid will not pay for. So those are some issues to deal with if someone on Medicaid receives an inheritance or some other way that they receive a lot of money. It's not necessarily necessary that you go off of Medicaid. There are ways to put that money aside so that it can be used for you while you still continue to receive your Medicaid benefits. If you have a question about this or any other topics concerning estate planning or elder law, please give me a call. My number is 608-268-5751. Thank you.